The environment of 5G base stations includes extreme heat, extreme cold, dust, and rain, which brings severe challenges to the performance and quality of the 5G fronthaul optics. GIGALIGHT is committed to the development and manufacture of high-quality 5G base station optical transceivers and passive WDMs suitable for harsh environments, including green light optical transceivers, 25G SPF 28 SR, LR, ER, BD. Color light optical transceivers, 25G SPF 28 CWDM, LWDM, MWDM, DWDM. Passive WDMs, 5G OMUGs, CWDM, LWDM, MWDM, DWDM. HAOC, 25G SPF 28 HAOC. 100G QSFP28 HAOC and 100G QSFP28 to 4X 25G SPF 28 HAOC. The highlights of GIGALIGHT's 5G fronthaul solution include industrial-grade operating temperature range, 0 BER, innovative HAOC suitable for the harshest environment, custom chips to create a calculable network. GIGALIGHT insists on providing the best base station optical transceivers and passive WDMs to help the rapid development of 5G base stations.